Now, if you watch this video to the end, I'll be resolving a very important issue. The title of this video is how to find your bank details on Payoneer. Now, I'm going to resolve a very important issue. A lot of people are finding it difficult to find their bank details on Payoneer after creating a new Payoneer account. And unfortunately, I made a video on how you can find your bank details on Payoneer, including your routing number, which was 1 month ago. When I made this video, I showed people step by step how they can check their Payoneer, find their bank details, and connect it to any platform so that they can receive their money. And a lot of people went on to create Payoneer accounts. However, I've been getting consistent comments, right? If you look at this place, you see people are telling me that they cannot get their account. Please, I don't see my receiving account info. What should I do? Should I delete it and create a new one? I could swear I followed all the complete steps. Very true. This person is actually not lying. This person said to check my receiving account is requesting I have $50 before I'm eligible to view it. How do I go about it? This person said, hello Alpha, please can I create another Payoneer with the same NIN number? This is because I'm trying to link my PayPal to Payoneer and it's not working. A lot of people, after following my step, they are complaining that they cannot even get access to their US dollar bank account details on Payoneer, which is not their fault. Normally, when you follow my tutorial step by step, you're going to get the same result I've gotten. But unfortunately, people are following my tutorial. They are not being able to. They are finding it difficult to get their Payoneer account details, and this is simply as a result of one reason. Payoneer have changed their policy. Before now, at the point I was creating this video, all you need to do is to sign up on Payoneer, create a Payoneer account, and you get access to your account details and you'll be able to do every transaction with ease. Unfortunately, Payoneer, for some reasons best known to them, decided to change their policy. And the new policy is that when you create a new Payoneer account, you need to do a transaction of $50 minimum before you can have access to get your Payoneer account details. So basically, you need to have received up to like $50 before you can get your Payoneer account details. So as a result of that, a lot of people do not have access to check their Payoneer bank accounts anymore. This is a new development. People that have old accounts will not have issues seeing their bank account, but the new guys will have difficulty having access to their Payoneer bank account. But today's video is to solve all these questions, solve all these problems, and give you guys a solution, because what I do on this channel is to prefer solution. So if you're watching this my channel for the first time, this is the Alpha Wolf channel. We are over 15,100 subscribers. What we do here is we give valuable content that helps to improve people's life, make life easy, teach them how to make money online. So you should consider hitting the subscribe button and turning our bell post notification on, because you're going to get content that is going to be very beneficial to you. That being said, back to today's video. I'll be showing you step by step how you can resolve this issue, and the step is very simple. All you need to do is to come and create a Grey account, grey.co. Grey.co is a platform where you can also create foreign bank accounts, and you can link this account to any platform that need your foreign bank account, maybe a US account, your Great Britain pounds account, your euros account. Then you can collect your money through Grey platform. And the interesting thing about Grey platform is that everything is absolutely free. I've gone on to comment trying to explain to a lot of people in the comment section of this video that all they need to do is to create a Grey account, but a lot of them are still asking me the same question. For example, look at my comment here. I've made a lot of comments telling them just create a Grey account to solve the issue, but I can't comment everybody, and the video is getting more views, right? So there's nothing I can do about that. Look at it. I said Payoneer change our policy, please create a Grey account. It works like Payoneer, and I've gone on to make a video on how you can create a working Grey account. Look at this particular video here is how to create foreign bank accounts in 2023, how to set up a Grey account. I'm going to put the link of this video in the description, so when you see this video, you want to create a Grey account, if you follow this tutorial step by step, it is going to teach you literally how you can create a Grey account without any problem, and you can request for your foreign bank account and you will get your bank account on Grey. I use Grey for transactions, so Grey is way better at the moment than Payoneer, and that is why I'm doing an update. I think it is my duty, my responsibility to update you guys now that there's a change of policy, rather than just keeping mute and allowing people continue to think that probably the video was not right. The video was actually perfect at the time I made the video, but because of the change in policy, so many things have changed. Payoneer might decide to change their policy again and go back to giving people access to their account for free. But those of you that have old Payoneer accounts, you can be able to use the tutorial on this video to check your bank account. But for the new guys that are just signing up, you need at least $50 inflow, money that has been credited to the account before you can do any transaction. So when you come to Gray, I have a Gray account already. If I log in, you're going to see my foreign bank accounts there. I have a Great Britain pounds account, I have a US dollar account on Gray, right? It seems like something is broken. Convert currencies all in one place. Now let's look at how you can go on to create your account. If you click on get started, every step by step of how to create a Gray account is there. I've done a tutorial video, I'll put the link in the description. I wouldn't waste time doing that. So I'm just going to log in to my Gray account, right? When I log into my Gray account, I would now show you guys how you can check your bank account number. Once you create your Gray account, they will take some, that's if you're a first time user, it will take a while to sort out your bank account issues. You need to request for the foreign bank account. Once it is resolved, I'm thinking in the space of at most 1 day it will be resolved. Once it is resolved, you are going to have your account number, and with your account number you can check your account details, right? So look at now me logging into my Gray account. I'm just waiting for this to load properly. When it loads properly, you're going to see the foreign bank account I have showing in the top part of my dashboard. And once I do that, then I'm going to show you my account details. So I need to finish a verification process. As you can see here, they said I should enter a verification code. I'm waiting for a code on my mobile phone. I think the UI of this platform can be better because I'm even struggling to see the boxes here. But anyway, so I was expecting a verification code from Gray. Once I get that verification code, then we can go on to finish the mini process in this video. Okay, I've gotten it 070 239 enter, log into my account 070239. Okay, good. So you can see I've logged into my account. I think I have like £4. If you watch some of my tutorial video, I told you guys that I did some transaction on Gray. So from here you can see my Nigeria balance, my euros balance, my United States dollar balance, and my Great Britain pounds. So from this place, let's say I want to check my US dollar account details. All I need to do is to just click on it or click on this arrow. Let me just click on it, the US dollar. Now if you want to use Gray on your mobile phone, just go on Google Play Store and search for gray.co. you are going to see every information. Clicking on the United States dollar account, you can see below that my account name is here, my account type is here, my account number is here, the wiring routing is here, the name of the bank, every other information that concerns my account is in this place, right? And some instructions are also there. Said kindly, US dollar payments cannot be received from countries within restricted jurisdiction. So you need to find out the countries that are restricted from sending money so that you will not have issues receiving your money. And they said accounts can only receive domestic and international wire transfers. So it's wire transfer, capital letter wire, international wire transfer and domestic wire transfer. And they said there's a 1% for payment made into the account. So 1% charge fee, just 1%. And they said sending any other currency, maybe euros, Great Britain pounds, to the account will be subject to the bank rate. So they will have to even convert the money if you are sending receiving any other currency to this bank account details, right? So basically they've given you the instruction, which means you can actually get straight access to your US dollar and every other whatever bank account from Gray. And I'll advise you, if you have created your account, you can just use the US, the euros, or the Great Britain pounds. They will work perfectly well. Me personally, I prefer the Great Britain pounds. I prefer the Great Britain pounds because the honest truth is that the bank that Gray is working with is Silvergate Bank. And if you are following news and you're following all the financial news lately, you see that this bank is currently having some issues, and then it might be temporary. It could go on to become something more serious, but Doesn't mean you cannot create an account or do whatever you want to do. I just said I should let you guys know so that you guys will also be informed, right? This, I believe, will solve the problem you have in this particular situation, and that will be the end of this tutorial video, guys. So the Payoneer issue is not my fault. It was just a development that happened. Payoneer changed their policy, and policies change from time to time. So basically, it is one of those things.